Alright, this is my bike check. I have Animal Brands. I don't know what kind of grips they are, but they're prototypes. I have Odyssey Space Bars. They're good. And then I have I don't know what kind of stem it is. It's just like Blink, I don't know. Then I have a DK headset. And then I have DK forks with I don't know, just a normal peg, I don't know. And then Odyssey Hazard Light front rim. And then I have a volume frame. And then I have Snafu cranks, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. And then I have Odyssey sprocket, KMC chain, and just a Vertevex stock rim. And then I have the Odyssey P-Light tire and a Primo right at the wall tires in the front. Okay, that's my bike check.